Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At itinan natin ang energies ng inyong love life ngayong March 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. For other messages, thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yun, Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Ayan. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. At kung kayo ay interesado sa private readings, lahat po ng information para makapag-book kayo for a reading ay nasa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check na lang. Okay, Capricorn. Let's see your love life ngayong March. Unahin natin yung mga in a relationship na Capricorn. Let's see, in a relationship na Capricorn, anong energies for you ngayong March 2024 sa inyong connection. Capricorn. Okay. So, I feel like you are dealing with someone na equally invested sa kanilang career. Okay? Pwedeng pareho kayo goal-getter, trendsetter, jet-setter, or focused on each other's finances. With the 9 of Pentacles, pareho kayong independent ng person that you are dealing with and you are supporting each other, no? With the 6 of Pentacles. You also have the Chariot, so maaring may mga travel opportunities kayo with your partner ngayon. Pwedeng kayo ay magbabakasyon, may road trip, ganyan. But with the Tower, meron kayong babaguhin or pwedeng belief system sa relationship ninyo. It doesn't have to be a separation kasi wala naman ako nakikitang separation dito. Pwedeng meron kayong mga major change na gagawin sa dynamic ng relationship ninyo. So, let us clarify. What is the Tower? The Emperor. Oh. Okay. This is getting serious, Capricorn. So, kung dati, ang iniisip nyo lang sarili nyo. Di ba minsan sa relationship, you can be in a relationship with someone pero mas priority mo yung sarili mo. But now, what I'm seeing is, you are ready to unite with someone na meron kayong plano na for the future. Kasi pwede namang nasa relationship ka, okay, dating, you know, getting intimate, pero walang plans for the future. So ngayon, nakakakita ako rito ng pagiging seryoso sa inyong relationship. You want this relationship to move forward. Ano na yung next, no? So pwedeng you are planning for engagement or marriage or living together, no? Pagsasama na. Oo. Let's see. Gusto nyo kasi may patunguhan. You are releasing control. Iniisip nyo siguro, kung talagang you are meant for each other, things will fall into place. You want to unfold things naturally. Tingnan mo, may engagement na talaga. This relationship is turning into a very serious commitment. Expression of your love for your person. Oo, things are getting serious for you. Meron kang, kung iba dati, no, parang gusto mo, ganito ka lang, ganito lang yung relationship ninyo. Pero ngayon, tinatanggal mo na yung control over the relationship. Gusto mong makita kung saan kayo dadalhin ng connection na to. You are open to being more adventurous in this relationship and at the same time responsible sa mga gagawin yung actions moving forward. Seryoso na. Gusto nyo na kung ano na, saan na papunta. Not today. Camera. Meron ditong tinan mo, may energy ng past. It means na hindi ka na magpapa-apekto sa energy ng past. Past relationship, past connection. You are heading towards the future. There's so much clarity in this relationship. Gusto mo na i-build yung relationship ninyo, like, you want a solid foundation in this relationship. May transformation. Meron kang realization na gusto mo nang mag-settle down. Kasi pwedeng for the longest time, ang focus mo, career mo, kahit na nasa relationship ka, hindi mo ganun ka-priority yung relationship. Parang secondary na lang yan. Ano tong golden mirror na to? I think ngayon you realize na kailangan hindi laging ikaw yung nasusunod sa relationship. That's why you are also letting go of the control sa relationship. Na tipong it has to be a mutual agreement pagdating sa direction na gusto nyong tahakin as a couple. Pwedeng nahanap mo na yung person na para sa'yo no? May twin flame energy dito I feel like you are someone, meron dito sa relationship na to na maraming naging ka-relationship in the past. Na pwedeng iniisip mo na pwedeng baka mabalikan mo pa yon, na hindi pa ito yung person for you. Pero merong nagpabago ng isip mo na na-realize mo na whoever this person na karelasyon mo ngayon, siya na. My love for you is unconditional. When you hold my hands, that warmth keeps my insecurities away. Oh my God. This person makes you feel so secure. I would take back all those hurtful words I said to you. So, syempre sa relationship, hindi naman yan laging rainbows and lollipops and candies and sweetness and donuts. So, may mga times na nakakapagsalita ka ng masama sa person mo. May mga times na hindi mo siya napapahalagahan. Pero you realize na ito na yung person na gusto mo sa buhay mo. Na siya pala talaga the last person standing. O, diba? So, yeah, congrats. That is your reading para sa mga in a relationship. So, tingnan naman natin yung mga single na Cappies. Ano naman yung energies for your love life? Meron ba? Meron bang mamumuo the relationship? Tignan natin, Capricorn singles for your love life ngayong March. May magpapakilig ba sa inyo? Single Capricorn. Okay, yung iba natatakot. Ito yung tipong for you, no? Iniisip mo, okay lang kahit walang relationship, ano ba? Hindi ko naman kawalan yan. Kailangan ko ba yan? Ganon. Pero deep within you, takot kayo. Takot kayo na masaktan. Takot kayo na maulit-ulit yung experience ninyo in the past. That's why you are umiiwas, no? Meron ako nakikita rito na opportunity for you to meet new people, to connect with other people, pero may takot. Game over, Some of you, meron ditong nag-end na relationship na hindi mo inaasahan siguro or kind of difficult relationship na nakadeal mo. Pero alam nyo, kung lagi kayo matatakot, no? Parang kumbaga pinapakita nyo lang na hindi nyo kailangan, pero deep within you are yearning for love. You want to meet this twin flame. Kaya kailangan yung maging open. Yes, healing. Eventually, you are healing. Kaya lang yung iba sa inyo, you are running away from a possible connection. Meron Kung matatanggal yung takot ninyo, you will be more courageous in meeting new people. Possible na makilala nyo pa yung twin flame nyo or soulmate. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye!